Good morning, children. Here is some tips of computer subject that will be useful for third terminal examination as well as board purpose. As you know, there will be two sections in computer subject, section A and section B. Section A will carry 40 marks, whereas section B will carry 60 marks. Section A, that is related objective type question, and section B, that is related programs. In section A, there will be four parts. Four parts, I mean question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. And each question there will be 5 subpart. Suppose question number 1, there will be 5 questions and each question will carry 2 marks. Like question number 2, again 5 questions, each question will carry 2 marks. Question number 3 and question number 4. So that when you calculate, it will be 40 marks. Section B, there will be 6 program, and out of 6 program, you have to solve any 4 question. Each question will carry 15 marks. We remember that you have to write the variable description in section B part. Means after attempting programs, you have to write the variable description, the things we already discussed in the class as well as in online classes also. Second thing, as you know, due to the COVID-19, ICC board reduced few topic from the, not from the, in each subject. In computer, there are 3 things that we will not study. Number 1, programs related string manipulation. String manipulation is a part of our syllabus for section A part only. They will not ask a single question related programs. So we will avoid that part. Program parts we will avoid. Number 2 is array. In array, they reduce 2 parts. One is binary search, which was very important, but they removed that topic. Number 2, selection sort. So 3 things we will not study: programs related string manipulation, number 2 binary search, number 3 selection sort. That means in array we have to study. That means in array, what you have to study? You have to study number 1, selection, linear search, LINEAR, linear search, and number 2, BUBBLE, bubble sort. Linear search and bubble sort. And children, definitely you will get one question of 15 marks from this topic. These both topics are very easy, so very easily you will get here 15 marks. Later on we will discuss this part. Now come to the section A. For section A, some important topics are OOPS, that means you will get any definition related class or object or polymorphism, data hiding, abstraction, etc. Tokens, one of the important topic in Java. You will get 8 to 10 marks question from this topic. So token, data types, loops, for, while, do while, that means output based question. Maybe you will get a question conversion from for loop to while loop. Method, constructor, array, string, oblique, character handling. And also you'll get a here if else versus switch. Maybe you'll get a definition, maybe you'll get how to convert if else to switch. So this part are very important. This part is very important. Increment, decrement, everything will come in token wala part. So see carefully. Token, you see carefully. Near about 40 marks question you will get it from this topic for section A. As we discussed in section B, there will be 6 questions and you have to select only 4 questions. Very easily you can choose the 4 questions from there. Number 1 question you can select from if else, maybe electricity bill, maybe motorbike wala question, like that way. That question will come straight, or using method this question will become one or two questions. You'll get it from for loop, nested for, and while. Maybe you'll get a series using switch case. Maybe you'll get a nested for, pyramid, triangle based question. Maybe you'll get a number based question. So you'll get at least 2 questions from this topic. Switch case, that is the part of this one, series or number system. So we will combine both the things. For, nested for, while, and switch case, you will get 2 marks question. Number 3, 1 question you will get it from method and constructor, data members or member function. This is a very easy question. So many questions we did in the during the online classes. You can you can choose a question from here also. 1 question you will get it method overloading. 1 question you will get it from method overloading, and you will get minimum 1 question from array. So 1, this is one question, again 1 question, this is 1 question, here will be 2 question, and here will be 1 question. So when you calculate, there will be 5 or 6 question, and out of this question you can select 4 options very easily, 4 programs very easily. In section B part, once again I want to say you have to write variable description after writing the program. Now after 3 months you children will give your final examination. How to prepare? This is one of the most important thing. My suggestion, from today onwards, every day at least 2 programs you do practice. When you write 2 programs every day, that means automatically you can revise the part of section A. Randomly you select from a program from array, or a program from method, or method overloading, or number system. So many questions you got it during the lockdown for section A part. You do the practice that question from there. Last 2-3 years question paper you can solve at your home, and if there will be any confusion from any question, you contact your subject teacher. As you know, after winter vacation, school will open most probably from 4th of January. So if there will be any confusion, you can discuss that questions with your subject teachers. Best wishes, all the best. Once again I want to say, write at least 2 3 programs every day. It will take maximum 15 minutes. Okay children, have a good day.